Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the atomic effect on Higgsfield AI. Now this is an example of what the atomic effect looks like, more like a distant nuclear explosion happening behind the subject. So all you have to do is to go to this great website I found, which is higgsfield.ai. All you have to do is to sign in or log in, and then scroll to the visual effects section, choose the atomic visual effect, and you'll be brought to a page like this. Click on generate or select any of these ones if you want to. Now proceed to upload your picture here and describe the scene you want. You can now choose your model if you want, but since we are using the free version, you can choose this minimax hello 0 to 5 0 to fast. So you can also select your duration, or you can even select a different model if you please. Higgsfield light also. This is for higher resolution. As you can see, it is 720p, whereas this is 512, but this gives you 3 to 5 seconds, while this gives you 6 seconds. So you can just choose any of them depending on the length of the video you want to have. So once you're done, just click on generate, and within minutes your video would appear in the space like this, where you can just click on the download icon and download it straight to your device and use it for your video editing purpose. So that's it, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.